Hello everyone, this is Lata Akula. In this video we are going to study about class chondrichthyes. So where this class chondrichthyes is coming from? Here this chondrichthyes was included under division Gnathostomata. We have studied that subphylum Vertebrata was divided into Agnathostomata and Gnathostomata. In the Agnathostomata they do not have any jaws, only one class, that is Cyclostoma was included. Under division Gnathostomata they have powerful jaws, strong jaws are present. Under this division again two subclasses are present, superclasses are present. In two superclasses, one of the superclass is Pisces. Under this superclass Pisces there is two classes are there. One is the class Chondrichthyes and another one is the Chondrostichthyes. This is a class Chondrichthyes. That is depending on the what type of the endoskeleton that is made up of. In this endoskeleton is made up of cartilaginous material. Hence these are called as cartilaginous fishes. So these chondrichthyes are called as cartilaginous fishes because the endoskeleton is made up of cartilage. Here these animals are marine in their habitat and the body is streamlined body. The body consists of streamlined condition which is having a cartilaginous endoskeleton. If we see the mouth, this is a dorsal and ventral surface. Here the mouth is located ventrally. Ventrally located mouth is present and notochord is persists throughout the life. And here these are the gill slits which are made for the respiration. But these gill slits they are not covered by operculum. Operculum is the gill plate. Operculum is commonly called gill plate. That gill plate operculum is absent. The gill slits will be shown outside in these fishes. And the skin is very tough and hard, which are covered by placoid scales. They consist of minute placoid scales are present and teeth are also present. The teeth are the modified placoid scales only. The teeth are nothing but they are the modified placoid scales and teeth are backwardly directed. See this. The teeth will be like this. Very sharp teeth which are backwardly directed and they have a very powerful jaws and these fishes are highly predaceous. They eat the meat of other fishes. We know that sharks they will eat the fish, other fishes, right? So these are nothing but chondrichthyes only. And they do not have air bladder. Air bladder main function is buoyancy. Here in these fishes air bladder is absent, so there is no organ to exhibit buoyancy. So they have to swim continuously unless those fishes will be sink. So to avoid sinking, these fishes will continuously swimming. And the heart is two chambered. How many chambered heart is present? Two chambered heart is present. One is auricle and one ventricle was present. And these are poikilodermous animals. Poikilodermous means cold-blooded animals. These are cold-blooded animals. That means they do not have the capability to control the body temperature according to the surrounding environments. So that animals are called as poikilodermous or cold-blooded animals. And in this the sexes are separate. Both male and female are separate. This male fishes and female fishes are separate. In male fish, near to the pelvic fin, this is the pelvic fin, near to this pelvic fin, the claspers are present. These claspers are made for during the sexual reproduction. They will act as the channels to transport the semen into the body of the female into the cloaca. Okay, these claspers release semen into the female cloaca during mating process. And in this the fertilization is internal fertilization. That means the fertilization occurs inside the body of the female, and these are viviparous animals. Viviparous means fishes are commonly oviparous, they lay eggs. But these are the viviparous animals, they give birth to the young ones, not the eggs. And in this, to avoid to escape from the predatory animals as a defensive mechanism, they have electric organs. Some of them they have electric organs to pass the electric shock, and some of them have poisonous stings. Examples for the fishes which have the electric organs are the torpedo, and the examples for the fishes which have the poisonous stings are the trigon. These are the main examples. We see the examples of these convicts is Scoliodon, which is called as a dark fish. Prestis is called as sawfish. The mouth is in the form of saw shaped. And Carcharodon is called as great white shark. Trigon, which is called as stingray. These are the general characters of the chondrichthyes. So once again we'll discuss. So the chondrichthyes, they will come under the division Gnathostromata under superclass Pisces. They are commonly called as cartilaginous fishes. They consist of cartilaginous endoskeleton. The mouth is ventrally located. The gills are not covered by any operculum, and they have placoid scales. Minute placoid scales are present throughout the body. Skin is very tough and jaws are very strong. The teeth are backwardly directed, which are nothing but the modified placoid scales only. And these are highly predaceous animals, and they do not have any air bladder to show the buoyancy. Because of that reason, they have to continuously swim, unless they will be sinking, and they will sink to the bottom of the water. They have two-chambered heart, poikilodermus, and the sexes are separate. The males, they consist of claspers near the pelvic fin. Near the pelvic fin, there is a clasper is present too, which will act as the channels for the release of the semen. And fertilization is internal, and these are the viviparous animal. To escape from the predators, they have some defense mechanisms like electric organs and poison stings. Electric organs are present in torpedo, and poison stings are present in the trigon. Examples for these are Scoliodon is called as dogfish, Prestis is commonly called as sawfish, Carcharodon, which is called as great white shark, and trigon is called as stingray. So these are the characters of chondrichthyes. So with this we have completed chondrichthyes. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Lata Akula Biology Tutorial. Thank you.